Most people believe you need millions to build a million-dollar business. But what if I told you a 22-year-old broke American kid once turned his last $100 into a system that crushed every competitor on his street in 90 days? Not by selling more, not by working harder, and not even by raising prices. Instead, he gave everything away for free. And somehow, he ended up controlling the entire supply chain. His name was Jake Miller, and the day this story starts, Jake is standing in front of the worst business location in Detroit. The laundromat looks abandoned. Half the lights flicker. 2 washing machines are broken. The floor smells like detergent and rust. Across the street are 3 competing laundromats, and they're locked in a brutal price war. Wash cycle $3, dry cycle $2. After electricity, water, rent, and repairs, each customer earns the owner maybe 70 cents profit, which means the entire industry is barely surviving. When Jake unlocks the door, one of the neighboring owners laughs.
What spy?
Kid,
Your
this
face!
place went bankrupt
We'll
twice
see.
already.
Hey,
Another
Jake,
owner yells
still
across
washing
the
away your
street.
losses?
3 months, that's how long you'll
Your
last.
place is history, pal.
Jake doesn't argue. He just walks inside and hangs a brand new sign in the window. 4 words: big, bright, impossible. Free laundry forever. Within hours, the neighborhood is buzzing. People think it's a joke.
Free
Some
laundry
think it's a
forever?
scam.
What's the
Others
catch
think
here?
Jake
Free
is
is free,
having a
man.
mental breakdown.
Sounds like a scam
Because
to me.
everyone
Yeah,
knows
no way.
one thing.
This is a joke.
Laundry machines
It might be a
cost money.
scam.
Water
for it.
costs money. Electricity costs money. Free laundry? That's suicide. Then Jake opens the doors and explains the rule. Laundry is completely free, but there's one condition.
All right, everyone listen
to
up.
use
This
the
is important.
machines,
Rule
you place
one
a
at a time. Do not leave it
$120
unattended.
refundable
It's for everyone's
membership
safety.
deposit. That's it. As long as your deposit stays in the system, you can wash and dry clothes for free forever. And if you ever want your money back, you can cancel and withdraw the deposit anytime.
You can wash
People
and dry
stare at
clothes
it.
for free
Then
forever,
someone does the
as
math.
long as the deposit
A family
stays in the
spends
system.
around $600 per year at
Take the deal.
laundromats.
Is
So
this
paying
real?
$120 once
What's the
to get
catch? I
free
can't believe
laundry forever
You can
sounds
wash and dry
insane.
clothes for free
In
forever,
the first week,
as long as the
200
deposit stays in
families
the
sign
system.
up. Then 400, then
10 bucks a
800.
week times 52
Within
weeks.
18
That's over
days,
500
Jake
a
has
year?
2,500
Damn, that's a lot.
members, each depositing
Here are the forms.
$120.
That's
That means
$5.
the broke kid who started with $100 now has $300,000 in cash flow. But here's the twist. Jake never
All right,
planned
everyone
to
listen
make
up.
money
This is
from
important.
laundry machines.
Rule one at a time. Do
Laundry
not leave it
was only the
unattended.
bait.
It's for everyone's safety.
Jake took the $300,000 and walked into a small, struggling industrial detergent manufacturer outside Detroit. The factory was dying.
Here's the $300,000.
Orders were collapsing.
This clears
the owner
everything.
was
That's
desperate.
a lot of money. What's
Jake
the
made an
catch?
offer.
No catch.
I'll
Just a
pre-purchase
clean
your
slate.
detergent
Here's the
production for the next
$300,000.
8 years.
This clears everything.
But I
That's a
want
lot of money. What's the
60%
catch?
below
No
market
catch.
price.
Just a clean
And
slate.
I want
I'll
25%
pre-purchase your
ownership
detergent
of your
production
factory.
for the next 8 years.
The owner hesitated.
60%
then
below
looked at
market
the money.
price, 25%
Without cash
ownership.
flow, the factory would close, so he signed the deal. Jake now controlled cheap detergent supply. Then Jake made another
Welcome,
move.
Jake. Glad
He
you could make
partnered
it.
with a local repair
Thanks.
company
Looks
that
like a smooth
specialized
operation.
in washing machines. Instead
Team,
of
this
paying
partnership
them,
deal
he
is a
offered
game
them
changer. It means
exclusive
more
access
clients,
to
better
all
tools, and higher pay.
2,500
Sounds good, Jake.
households.
Let's make it
They
happen.
agreed instantly.
All right, team. Let's
Now,
get these
every
units
broken
moving.
washer in the
This one's ready for
neighborhood
the network.
came through Jake's
Good.
network.
Keep it smooth.
Within
All
2
right, everyone
months,
listen up. This
Jake's
is important.
laundromat
Rule
became
one
something
at a time. Do
completely
not leave it
different.
unattended.
It wasn't just
For
a
everyone's
laundry
safety.
service anymore. It became a household service hub. Every time customers came to wash clothes, they saw
Here's our
offers
flyer
for
for
appliance
appliance repairs.
home
Oh,
cleaning
perfect.
services,
Thanks.
detergent
We offer same-day
subscriptions,
service.
delivery services. Local businesses
Interested
paid
in our
Jake
delivery
advertising
service?
fees to
Yes,
reach
what's
his
the weekly
members.
cost?
The detergent factory
Here's your profit
paid
share
him
for the
profit
quarter,
share.
Jake.
The
Cash
repair
and the
company
receipts.
paid him
Thanks.
referral
I'll check it.
commissions. And suddenly, the
Your
laundromat
referral
that
commissions,
made no
Jake.
money
Thank
was
you. This is
generating
just the start.
thousands
Let's
every
build on it.
week. Meanwhile, the competitors across the street were still fighting over 70 cents per wash. Within 3 months, 2 laundromats shut down. One tried copying Jake's model, but it was too late. Jake already controlled the customer base. Most people think businesses make money by selling products.
Hi, is this
but
machine
the smartest
working?
entrepreneurs
Yes.
understand
It's ready.
something different.
Need help?
The real money is in owning the system around the product. That's exactly how companies like Amazon and Costco build massive empires. They don't just sell products, they control ecosystems. Jake never cared about laundry profits. He cared about controlling customer access, because whoever owns the customer relationship controls everything they buy next. Now look around your own life. Free apps, free trials, free delivery, free memberships. Nothing is really free. The smartest companies in the world are using the same strategy Jake used. Free is simply the cheapest bait to attract something more valuable: your data, your attention, your habits, your spending power. And once
All
you're
right, everyone,
inside
listen
their
up. This is
ecosystem,
important.
leaving
Rule one at a
becomes
time.
difficult.
Do not leave it unattended.
Jake started
It's for
with
everyone's safety.
$100, but he didn't build a laundromat. He built a system where other people's habits, other
10 bucks a
people's
week times
businesses,
52
and
weeks.
other people's
That's over
money
500 a
all
year?
flowed through
Damn,
him.
that's a lot.
So here's the
Team,
real
this
question.
partnership deal is a
Right
game
now,
changer.
are
It
you
means more
working
clients, better
inside
tools, and
someone
higher
else's
pay.
system,
Sounds good, Jake.
or
Let's
learning
make it
how to
happen.
build your own?
All right, team,
Because
let's get
once
these
you
units
understand
moving.
this game,
This one's ready
you
for the
stop
network.
chasing money
Good.
and start
Keep it
building
smooth.
machines that
Here are the
create
forms.
it automatically.
Thanks. That's $5.
If you want more stories that expose the hidden systems behind money, power, and business, subscribe now. Because the next story we're about to reveal might completely change how you see wealth forever. And trust me, you don't want to miss it.